Hey everyone, this is Peter from TalkAndroid. Today we're going to take a look at the brand new Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So this is the brand new Motorola Edge 50 Pro. We've got it in the Luxe Lavender colorway, which as you can see is quite a different color. It's a vegan leather-ish effect on the rear panel. It's giving plenty of grip, very tactile, and it promises, well, from the feel of it, it doesn't feel like it's going to slide off a table anytime soon. It really is quite resistant on this slick surface here. As is often the case, we've got the power button just below the volume controls here. We've got Dolby Atmos sound, and we've got the SIM tray at the bottom next to the USB-C port and the speaker chamber. On the back we've got a trio of cameras consisting of, we've got a 50 megapixel rear camera, that's the main one, and that has omnidirectional PDAF. OIS is included on the main sensor. The second camera is the 13 megapixel ultra-wide lens that also takes care of macro photography. There's a 120 degree field of view, autofocus. Bringing up the rear is a 10 megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom and optical image stabilization. Powering the Edge 50 Pro is Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Generation 3 processor, and in this particular model it's accompanied by 12 gig of LPDDR4X RAM and 512 gigabytes of UFS 2.2 storage. It's a shame that Motorola couldn't see fit to include UFS 3.1 storage instead, which would have definitely aided performance on the Edge 50 Pro. So we've got a 6.7 inch Super HD display, and that's basically 1220p. It's OLED technology, 10-bit panel with 144 Hz refresh rate, DC dimming, LTPS technology, and a peak brightness of 2000 nits. Under the hood we've got a 4500 mAh battery, which benefits from 125 watt turbocharged wired charging, up to 50 watt wireless charging. If you see fit to share your power, you can do reverse wireless charging of up to 10 watts. And we've got other technologies such as Snapdragon sound, dual stereo speakers, Wi-Fi 6E is supported on the phone, as is Bluetooth 5.4. All in all, it's quite a neat little package. In the box you'll also get a 125 watt turbocharger, which makes a nice change over some phones such as Honor and Samsung, who do not include a charging brick. NFC is supported on the Moto Edge 50 Pro. You'll also find IP68 water protection, and the phone itself is available in Black Beauty colorways, vegan leather, this Luxe Lavender edition. We have a Moonlight Pearl Special Edition, and in Japan they will also get a vanilla cream option, which is also vegan leather. I would like to have seen the vegan cream, but not enough to travel to Japan. Let's just take a quick look at the options for the camera. Ultra res, panorama, dual capture, photo booth. Nice options. For a £600 camera, it's probably going head to head with the base Galaxy S24, the OnePlus 12R. So we've got a review coming up in the next couple of weeks. So keep it locked to TalkAndroid, and we'll see you soon. Cheers!